Open Google Chrome. Go to the search bar and type Google Flow. Click on the first website name, Google Labs. Sign in using your Google account and accept terms and conditions. And press Next. This will be the interface and account. Now click on the Labs Google and then press Project Genie. The Project Genie page opens. Create new project. And here you can see different options for video and image generation. Let me show you an example. Select your preferred bot and image ratio. I'm selecting Nano Banana Pro and 9:16 ratio. Select how many images you want. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Now paste your prompt and hit Next. In seconds, 4 images have been generated. Pick one you like to use and download it. You can also upscale the quality of images up to 2K. You can generate unlimited images. Look, it says generating will use 0 credits. Now let's test it by generating a video. You will see the 4 models. The OmniFlash will use the least credit for generating. You can see if you select 4 seconds, it will charge 7 credits. For 6 seconds, 10 credits. For 8 seconds, 12 credits. And for 10 seconds, 15 credits. You can also check different models too. Check them by yourself, because for now, I'm going to use OmniFlash. There is a frame system too. You will give the starting and end frame, and this model will create the whole scene from start to end. It has 2 ratios, 9:16 and 16:9. Now, I'm going to paste the prompt that, and let's create a 10-second video. It will cost 15 credits. We receive 50 credits daily. Our video has been generated, and look at the video. You can also edit the video there. Our credits have been consumed now. Look, we have 23 credits now, so subscribe us for more tips and tools because we don't waste your time in intro and other things.